Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Linda Marquez TV. All you Linda fans, you are welcome to my channel. Today we have something new, though we've been doing similar things, but we created something new in this channel, and this is for your hair, okay? For our Afro natural hair. Even anybody can still use it if you are not having an Afro hair. This is Aloe Vera Shea Butter Moisturizing Butter Cream. This is used for your hair. Guys, let's see the products. Yeah, this is a clear butter, very soft, and it melts into your hair, giving it that shine, that retention, preventing breakage, and anything you can wish on your natural hair. So guys, let's dive into this video and see how it is produced. Let me not forget, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to click that red button to be part of this family. And again, like and share this video so it can be helpful to your friends and family, alright? So guys, these are the products we are gonna be using for this DIY. The main one is aloe vera stem. This is a big aloe vera. Another main ingredient is shea butter. Yes, we're gonna be needing it. Cast oil, extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, and my multivitamins and essential oils. In this mixture, I use about a cup of shea butter. I'll be melting this butter to get it ready for this mixture. Slightly melted the shea butter because I don't want the heat to interfere with the quality. Now it's time for mixing all the ingredients together. This is a 1/3 measuring cup. I will be taking 1/3 of all the oils. I start with the coconut oil. And this is castor oil. This is grapeseed oil, extra virgin olive oil, and sweet almond oil. Having added all the oil, I went ahead with my multivitamin capsules. I added 4 capsules of this multivitamin, good for hair and skin. I added biotin, 4 capsules of biotin also is good for the hair, very nice, helps in hair growth and elasticity and length retention. The next comes omega-3 fish oil. This is rich in vitamin A and E, which are very good for the hair. Also, I added vitamin E capsule. I have only 2. I just added the 2. Then I added my essential oils. This is peppermint essential oil, very good for the hair, and lavender essential oil. These oils help in growth stimulation and gives good scent to the mixture. I gave it a good stir and put it in the fridge to congeal for some hours. Then I move ahead to prepare my aloe vera stem. Yes, this is the aloe vera. I cut the large part of it and prepared it to take the gel and get the mixture. Benefits of aloe vera gel cannot be overemphasized. You can see my previous videos on aloe vera, then you see all the benefits of aloe vera on the hair, skin, and in total body. I cut the aloe vera, get the gel, and cut them in chunks for easier blending. I got the aloe vera into the blender and added 2 spoons of water, and it blended through. The aloe vera passed through the sieve so that the pieces from the aloe vera chunks and the green stuffs will not enter the mixture, so we can have a very smooth and neat product at the end. It was hard to come out, but I worked so hard to see that I got enough quantity of the aloe vera gel. Then I poured it into my mixture that is out of the fridge, well congealed but not blocked. Now I commenced mixing. I gave it a lot of time for the whipping so we can get a very emulsified mixture or cream at the end. You know, we are doing aloe vera shea butter cream. So I whipped and whipped a lot of time until I got to what I wanted. I helped the mixture with the spatula in intervals to make sure that everything is scraped off from the bottom of the mixer, the pan, to get everything well mixed. Yes, guys, the buttercream is ready. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, look at that. Looking so fluffy, creamy, and buttery. So nice. It came out so well. Yeah, that's really what I wanted. A lotion and a cream, everything in one. Even a butter, you can call it whatever. So I have two containers here, and I've already sanitized them with alcohol. Now I'm pouring the butter into the containers. Yeah, the product is ready, guys, ready. Yeah, so we're gonna be testing it, and we've been using stuffs like this. Yeah, her hair is already washed. Then I'm gonna be moisturizing the hair with this lotion, this shea butter aloe vera cream. So we're gonna be testing it, and in the end, we see how it moisturizes the hair. Yeah, just a little bit, bit by bit, you cut the hair, you apply the product, making sure each strand of the hair receives the product. Yeah, you can also massage the scalp with it, and you continue in that movement until the whole hair is done. It takes a whole lot of time for her hair, but patience wins the race, right? Guys, you can see how it melts into the hair. It just mixes up with the hair strands, giving it a lot of shine, a lot of moisture. It's just perfect for the hair. And the scent from the lavender and the peppermint essential oil, they also gave it a nice scent. So everything is a very nice combination that everyone would like to try out. Yeah. I put the hair back into a twist after moisturizing that part of the hair, and I continued the whole process till the whole hair is done. Yeah. Yes, guys, I did the same thing to the whole hair until the twist is done. Yeah, she loosed the hair and rocked it. You will see the video clips of one of her videos. I showed here so you see how she rocked it, how cool it looks. Please, guys, support her channel, okay? She has a new channel in English and already a channel in Italian too. So you support her. Can you check out that hair? Yes, this is the secret of her hair, all right? Thank you guys for watching this video. I know you enjoyed it. If you really do, comment down below, let me know, okay? So more videos like this will be coming up, so guys, we can learn how to solve our problems, our skin problems, hair problems, and weight loss. So we can be doing stuff with the things around us in the home and know exactly what we are using on our body. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you are new here, just don't forget to subscribe, okay, and like this video, keep part of this family, and share this video to whoever that may need it. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.